I'm sure you must have woken up stiff today. And in this movement, I'm sure you must have woken up very stiff today after a good night's sleep. Usually, when we sleep deeply, it's natural to wake up with your body aching all over, feeling like everything is out of place. So, I want you to repeat this sequence of exercises with me so your body can realign. There's nothing better than a good morning stretch, and the explanation for this isn't in humans, it's in pets, in the little animals you keep at home. What happens when they wake up? Automatically, they open their mouths, stretch their arms up, and stretch their legs back. We are basically going to do movements based on stretching to align your body and prepare you for a new day of work and a new routine today. I want you to stand up from wherever you are right now and place both hands on your buttocks. You will stay in this position, gently stretch your body backward, slowly, without forcing your spine too much. You don't need to bring your spine back as far as you can. No, I just want you to feel a little pressure, a little pain. It's okay. Gently, you won't hurt yourself. We're going to do this 3 times, so let's do the first one here. If you are a bit more hurried and are already doing it, you can do up to 10 repetitions. 2, the 3rd repetition. 3. Excellent. We did a backward movement. Now we will do a similar one leaning forward. I want you to lock your buttocks, keep them contracted like this, and only lower your spine. 1. The buttocks must be contracted. 2. Contract the buttocks. Squeeze your glutes. Do this with your glutes. 2. Contract the buttocks. Squeeze your glutes. Do this with the glutes. 3. Perfect. Let's do it now with relaxed glutes. We'll go all the way to the floor. Let's bring it close to the foot. You can even touch your toes if you can. Rock forward a bit, return, and bring your body back up. 1. It's only 3 times. Let's go here. Go down to the foot, rock forward a bit, return. That is the 2nd repetition. The 3rd repetition, let's go. Forward here, go forward and back. Are you managing to do it with me? Now let's work on the mouth area. I want you to open your mouth wide. Ah, 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 and close it. 1. Again. 2. 3rd repetition. Perfect. We're going to do small circular movements with the head now. Let's take it this way. Counterclockwise and clockwise. Understood, right? Can we start? It's 3 times. Here we go. The 1st. And then return with the 1st. 2nd. Stretch your neck well. Very good. 3rd and final repetition. Here and there. Here. Perfect. You will now put your hand behind your body, like this. Lean your shoulder and your elbow here. Keep everything tight and tilt your ear towards your shoulder and return. Can we do it? 3 times. 1. The arm is firm here. 2. The last one. 3. Great. Same thing on the other side. Hold back here. I'll do it facing back so you can see. Here. 1. 2. 3. Very well. Torso rotation now. I want you to put both hands forward and rotate both arms back as much as you can. 1. I'll go to the other side now. As much as you can. 2. Let me stand sideways for you now. Let's go. Here. The 2nd repetition. 1. It's here. 3rd repetition. 1. And now. Perfect. We did torso movements. Now we will finish with leg movements. I want to stretch the front part of the leg, okay? In this case, I want you to go near a wall, all right? Or you can hold on to the side. You'll grab your toes here, right? Grab by the toes, right here, and bring your heel towards your buttocks. However, your body does not go forward. I want you to keep your body straight. Here, pull and return. 1, 2, 3. Very well. Let's do the third repetition. Hold on to the wall, place your hand here on the tip of the foot and pull. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. You are all aligned and you are ready for a new day that is dawning. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please share it with the people you love to make people happier and healthier. A hug, and see you in the next video.